Good morning, children. This is the I part of the circulatory system, and in this, we are going to study about the conditions which are related to the functioning of heart. So, the first condition which is related to the functioning of the heart is palpitation. Palpitation means beating of the heart very fast. A heart palpitation is the sensation that your heart has skipped a beat or added an extra beat. Palpitation means a sensation which shows that our heart has skipped a beat, heartbeat, or an extra heartbeat is added. Palpitation make you feel like your heart is racing, pounding, or fluttering. Have you seen children a heart palpitation? Sometimes you might have experienced that palpitation while you run, your palpitation increases. That means your heart starts racing or pounding or fluttering. Sometimes we feel that our heart will come out of our chest. One may notice heart palpitation in the chest, throat, or neck. Even you can notice it from outside that your heart is palpitating. That means we can feel that in the chest, we can notice it in the chest, throat, or neck. They can be bothersome or frightening experience, and when we see that palpitation, it is a frightening experience. They usually are not serious or harmful, though, and often go on their own, but they are not often serious or harmful. Now, we should know the cause of palpitation. See, palpitations are either related to your heart or the cause is unknown. Either the palpitation is related to heart. Sometimes we are having some heart problem, then also we have palpitation, or the cause is unknown. Non-heart related causes include strong emotions like anxiety, fear, or stress. Sometimes children, these palpitations are related to heart, but sometimes they are not related to heart problems. Our heart palpitate due to some strong emotions like anxiety when we are under stress, or um, when we are afraid of anything, when due to some fear also our heart starts palpitating. It can also be due to stimulants such as caffeine, alcohol, or drugs. And sometimes, while taking some medicines that also act as stimulants, and it helps to, and it results in increasing the palpitation of the heart. Caffeine, alcohol, or drugs, or this also causes our heart to palpitate. So, symptoms of palpitations are dizziness, fainting, confusions, excessive sweating, pain, pressure, or frightening in the chest, lightheadedness, a loss of consciousness, that is confusion or unconsciousness, then difficulty in breathing. So, all these are the symptoms of palpitation. So, children, if it is related to heart, it may be dangerous. We have to consult it to the doctor. And if it is not related to heart, then there is they are not serious or harmful at that time. And palpitations often results, that means symptoms of palpitations are fainting. The person faints, the person is confused, can't understand what to do, what not to do. Then they feel difficulty in breathing, excessive sweating is there. So all these are the symptoms of sweating. See, one should seek immediate medical attention if one has heart palpitations. So, children, if you are having heart palpitations, you should know, you should immediately go to the doctor. You have to find out the cause, whether it is due to some heart related problems or it is not so serious. Now, treatment, it depends upon the cause. So, treatment of palpitation depends upon the cause. What is the cause of the palpitation? Most of the palpitations are harmless and go on their own. So, some of the palpitations are harmless and they go on its own. In such cases, no treatment is needed. So, when the palpitations are harmless, there no treatment is required for that. If the doctor does not find a cause, he may advise the person to avoid the things that might trigger the palpitation. Sometimes, due to some medicines we eat, or some drugs, or some other things, our palpitation increases. So, in such cases, the doctor advises not to uh, take such type of things, or to avoid such type of things which triggers the palpitation. Some of the strategies can be adopted to avoid palpitation. These include, so if there is no cause, so children, if that palpitation is due to some medicines, or due to some our eating habits, or due to fear or stress, at that time, children, we have to adopt some strategies so that we can avoid this palpitation. And these strategies includes easing anxiety and stress. Common ways to do this include, if we want to free us from anxiety, if the palpitation is due to some anxiety or stress, then we have to do some relaxation exercises, deep breathing, meditation, yoga, aromatherapy. So by doing these exercises, regular exercises, yoga, meditation, deep breathing, that will help you to ease out your anxiety and stress. Avoiding medications that act as stimulants. If the palpitation is due to some medications, if you are taking some medicines, if the palpitation is due to that, so sometimes, see, it includes cough and cold medicines. Sometimes when we take cough and cold medicines, that act as stimulants and increases our heart palpitations. So certain herbal and nutritional supplements should be taken. In place of taking this cold and cough medicines, you should take some herbal and nutritional supplements. Herbal means tulsi, this ginger you can take to, and you can avoid the medicines. Cutting out certain foods, beverages, and other substance. You should avoid certain types of foods and beverages which increases your palpitations. Like alcohol increases the palpitation in some of the people, caffeine increases the palpitation, nicotine, illegal drugs, all these increases our palpitation. So we should not take such type of drugs which increases our palpitation. So this is all about palpitation. The second condition of the heart is cardiac arrest. Cardiac means heart. It is a sudden stop in the effective blood flow due to failure of the heart to contract effectively. Its symptoms include, cardiac arrest means sudden stop in the blood flows to the heart, and if there is a sudden stop in the effective flow due to the failure of the heart to contract, when the heart doesn't contract and the blood couldn't reach it properly due to its heart's failure, it results in cardiac arrest. So its symptoms include fainting, blackouts, chest pain, weakness, vomiting, fatigue, dizziness, shortness of breath. So all these results in the cardiac arrest. Fainting, the person may faint, he will have blackouts, unable to see anything, pain in the chest, weakness, vomiting, tiredness, dizziness, and shortness of breath. You cannot breathe properly. There is shortness of breath. So all these are the symptoms of cardiac arrest. So cardiac arrest may occur with no warning sign. There is no warning sign. See, in the cardiac arrest. Causes. What are the causes of cardiac arrest? Coronary artery disease. If you have any artery disease, then it may result in cardiac arrest. Major blood loss due to some hemorrhage or some accident. If lack of oxygen is there, then also the person may have cardiac arrest. Very low potassium level, heart failure, intense physical exercise. Sometimes the people do intense physical exercise, that may also results in the cardiac arrest. Long standing blood pressures, high blood pressures. If you have high blood pressure for a long time, that also results in cardiac arrest. Now prevention. How can we prevent this cardiac arrest? First thing is healthy diet. So children, we should take a healthy and balanced diet. Regular exercise is very important. Regular exercise is important, but if you are doing intense physical exercise, that is dangerous. Controlled blood pressure, that you should have a controlled blood pressure. Control cholesterol level. If the level of cholesterol in the blood increases, that also results in the cardiac arrest. Avoiding smoking. People, those who smoke, they also have the chance of cardiac arrest, so avoid this. Then no to alcohol and drugs. People should not take this alcohols and drugs. So the people, those who are taking alcohols and drugs, they suffer from palpitations also and cardiac arrest problems also. Third condition is hypertension. Hypertension means high blood pressures. It is a condition in which force of blood against the artery wall is too high. Underline that. What is hypertension? A condition in which force of blood against the artery wall is too high. See, blood flows in the arteries with a force. But if this force of flow in the arteries increases, that results in hypertension. Diagnosis of hypertension may be made when one or both readings are high. One and both readings are, that means the systolic and the diastolic, the time when the heart contracts and the relaxes, that is the systolic and the diastolic reading. If both the readings are high, that means we are having hypertension. Systolic, the pressure on the heart when it pumps blood to the body. So systolic pressure, the pressure when the heart is pumping blood to the parts of the body. Pumping blood means the heart is contracting and the blood is forced, one deoxygenated to the lungs and oxygenated to the aorta, and then it is applied to all the parts of the body. Reading more than 140 millimeter of mercury. So if it is more, the reading is more than 140, that means our pressure is high. Diastolic, the pressure on heart on relaxing and refilling the blood. Diastolic means the pressure when the heart relaxes. When the heart relaxes, they are refilled with the blood. One side with the deoxygenated blood and other side with the oxygenated blood. And if it is above 90 millimeter of Hg, then our reading, that means our blood pressure is high. Causes. What are the causes? Modern lifestyle. So children, we are living a very modern lifestyle. Our lifestyle has totally changed. We are sitting and doing work at one place. We are not doing physical exercises. We are not moving here and there. Our style has totally changed. So our modern lifestyle is one of the reason of hypertension. Physical inactivity. If we are physically inactive, that means we are not walking or running. If we are not going here and there, simply sitting at one place and doing our office work or our school work, then this is physical inactivity, that also results in hypertension. Salt rich diets. If you are taking lot of salt in your diet, that also increases your blood pressure. Processed and fatty foods. Fatty foods also increases the blood pressure. Use of alcohol and tobacco. See this children, alcohol and tobacco, drugs, they are all very dangerous for our health, and they all leads to this palpitation, cardiac arrest, and this hypertensions. Hypertension itself does not cause symptoms, but in the long run leads to complications such as kidney failure, diabetes, which may be caused by narrowing of the blood vessels. See, at an early stage, this hypertensions have no symptoms, but if we have long standing blood pressures, that means for a long time our body has leads to complications such as sometimes kidney failure. The person may suffer from diabetes, which may be caused by narrowing of the blood vessels, and this hypertension results in the narrowing of the blood vessels. How can you prevent from the hypertensions? Maintaining healthy lifestyle, which includes salt restriction and other dietary changes. So if you want to be free from this blood pressure, or you want a control on your blood pressure, then you have to restrict your salt. Salt is very harmful for that, and you should have some change in your dietary schedule. Stress reduction. You should not undergo this stress. Your stress should be reduced. having a regular checkup of blood pressure. Every day you have to go to check your blood pressure. Saying no to caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, tobacco, and drugs. See, children, all these caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, tobacco, and drugs, they are all very harmful. So you have to say no to all these: alcohol, nicotine, alcohol, then tobacco, and drugs. So, children, all these things, they leads to palpitation. They are not good for heart. That causes cardiac arrest. Hypertension is also caused by because of them. So children, you should avoid, or I should say, you should say no to all these things. Thank you.